Transform your Shopify store into a visually captivating and sales-driving powerhouse with the incredibly versatile Ella template. First, let's dive into customization basics. Navigate to your Shopify admin, then Online Store, and select Themes. Find Ella and click Customize. The Hero section is your storefront's first impression here. You can easily upload high-quality images or videos that immediately showcase your brand's essence and key offerings. Update the text to be concise and compelling, always with a clear call to action like Shop Now or Explore Collection. Next, let's talk product showcasing best practices. Ella excels at presenting your products beautifully. Explore the different section layouts available for your homepage. Utilize the Featured Collections section to highlight your bestsellers or seasonal items, ensuring they're organized logically. To further enhance visual appeal and drive conversions, strategically incorporate promotional banners. Use the Image with Text section to tell a story about your products, highlight unique selling points, or announce special offers. Remember to use high-resolution images that accurately represent your items. Don't forget to align your store's look with your brand identity. Under Theme settings, you can effortlessly adjust colors to match your brand palette and select fonts that reflect your brand's personality. This consistency builds trust and recognition. By leveraging Ella's intuitive customization options and following these best practices, you'll create a visually stunning, high-converting online store that not only enhances the customer experience but also elevates your brand image and drives sales.